So for me, wherever I go, I'll always have at least these 3 drones on me. Now, the reason is because then I've found out that you can get almost any shot with these 3. Now, starting off, it's going to be the simple, just 5-inch drone. Now, this FPV is amazing because you can get almost any shot you want. You can get some aerials, you can go through and get fast chasing shots, you can go through and get slow, more relaxed cruising shots. You can really get whatever you want with this drone. Now, I use this on practically any shoot I go to, and this is my go-to drone. So for this, I'm ranking this as the first drone. So my second drone is going to be a DJI. Now, you might have been thinking FPV, but the reason why I'm choosing a DJI is mainly because you can get some different shots than you could with an FPV. What I'm saying is, like, you can get smooth cinematic, like large scale shots instead of like fast paced, tight, close shots. Now, sometimes you want those fast paced, close shots, but for shots where you need a more calm or just an establishing shot, you know, something of the location or something like that, you're going to need a DJI because really you can't get that shot with an FPV. So this is why it's second on the list. Really, you just need any traditional drone, something that has a gimbal on it and something that's smooth enough to get the shots that you need. Now, personally, I like DJI because they're usually pretty high quality until you break it, but other than that, they work out great. So my third drone is going to be a Cinewhoop. Now, I love this drone, and I'm not saying it's a bad drone. The only reason it's the third one is because it's a lot more unique, and with that, there's not as much things that you can film with it as like the first or second drone. Now, this drone is amazing when you need it, as in getting those really tight shots. Now, once you combine these 3 drones, then you can get almost any shot you want. Now, that means that once you get these drones, that you probably don't have to upgrade to new drones that often in the future. At least for me, I don't upgrade it as much anymore because I stay with the drones that I know work, and if it's having an issue, then I'll upgrade it. Now, hopefully this helps you out and you can see what type of drones work best for you, and you can just go through and see like what really works well for you.